Sprint planning is a crucial part of Agile project management in Azure DevOps, where teams decide what tasks and features will be completed in an upcoming shift. It helps align team efforts with business goals and ensures a smooth workflow. Access Azure DevOps. Log into Azure DevOps. Navigate to dev.azure.com. Go to Boards. From the left-hand menu, click Boards. Select the project and team. Select the project. Choose the project for which you want to conduct sprint planning. Select Team. Choose the specific team within the project to manage sprint planning. Create a new sprint. Navigate to Backlogs. In Boards, select Backlogs to view the product backlog and existing sprints. Create a new sprint. Click on New Sprint to create a new sprint. Add user stories and tasks. Select work items. Drag and drop user stories, tasks, bugs, and other work items from the product backlog into the sprint. Prioritize work. Organize and prioritize the selected work items according to business needs and effort required. Assign and estimate work. Assign team members. Assign team members to tasks or user stories in the sprint. Estimate effort. Add time estimates for each task to ensure the sprint is achievable within the given timeline. Review and finalize. Review sprint plan. Review the sprint backlog to ensure all critical work is accounted for. Finalize and start sprint. Once the sprint is planned, click Start Sprint to officially begin. Monitor progress. Track progress during the sprint through daily stand-ups, burnout charts, and sprint status updates within Azure DevOps.